So MxM News app was released, and I'm just going through reviews, just trying to figure out if people like it or not, because this app tries to position itself as a source of like neutral news, which is like definitely one of the issues right now in social media, where people don't really, a lot of audiences don't really trust like main news channels, main news medias like either CNN or Fox News. So there is just a massive demand for some like neutral app or media which will just provide news and nothing else, like, without additional opinions. So maybe this is a nice try with this app. Just looking here, what are pros and cons of it. So of course the pros is a try to be neutral in categories and just be neutral in showing news. But as you can see, there are also some disadvantages. So people say that sometimes this app is quite raw and it just has few categories, just very few. So for example, if I go here and I try to select some category, so yeah, here is also this how-to section, which is nice. But as I can see, there are only like few categories, and that's it. I don't know if you can add more categories and all of that. So maybe they will be able to add more, but that's that. On the other side, seems are not that many bugs, and the app is working quite smoothly, quite okay. However, it's also just like a simple app, I think. So as you can see here, this app basically just links to other news sources, so it doesn't produce its own news. And for me, it's just interesting how this algorithm works. How exactly do you select like these news sources, and how do you know that they are like really the good ones, or verified, or all of that, or is just like a news aggregator similar to Apple News or Google News. But then Apple, of course, or Google, they have much better AI algorithms. But there you have it. But a lot of good reviews here from this audience. Nice, excellent, clear, concise, truthful news. There are some glitches, but hopefully developers working on that. So some people say that I'm not very tech savvy, couldn't figure out how to use it. I signed up and opened it and got a black page and some and I couldn't get rid of that, so I deleted the app. So overall, good reviews. Usually it's rare that the new app has good reviews, because on the launch usually will have quite a lot of bugs. Some people write that like too many ads, way too many ads here. Though modern one, like half of the screen is ads, pop-up, subscription buttons, and so on. No landscape view on iPad, and app will not allow passing of password from so that's that. So there are some glitches. It says every time I open any news, I just see black screen with no way out, the turning off iPhone. So no landscape mode, and it's just portrait mode. So people, that's another glitch like which people need, because a lot of this news, some people, maybe even older audience, they just prefer to read this news on iPad instead of iPhone. And you can just sit in your chair or something, just open iPad, just scroll over the news. But of course you want to do that in landscape mode, not just in vertical mode, holding your iPad vertically. So it's a popular feature. It's not available yet. So there you have it. Anyways, that's the overview of pros and cons. If you have any solutions or any like that, just leave it in the comments below. Also visit my website, Mr. Hack. I have like a forum where you can ask all these questions and probably find a solution. Thank you for watching.